Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. It has been quite a while since I have sat down to film a video for you guys, and unfortunately, as you can probably tell from the title, today's video is not going to be a very happy one. I've been gone for a little while and I have missed you guys a lot, so hi, nice to see you guys again. Part of the reason that I had been away for so long is because I was on a trip with my family to Europe. It was amazing and fabulous and I would love to go back like right now if at all possible. But another part of the reason that I haven't posted anything for a while is that my account has been hacked. Now when I say my account has been hacked, I'm not talking about my YouTube account, fortunately. I'm still able to have control over my YouTube account and upload and all that kind of stuff, but my Google AdSense account has been hacked, which if you guys don't know, that's how like people get paid through YouTube, is a Google AdSense like account. So a lot of things have just been kind of like up in the air for me. I really don't know honestly exactly what's going on with my channel or what's going to happen with my channel, which makes me very, very nervous. The thought of like losing this channel and losing you guys like as a community just like it really gets me. So I'm just basically going to be telling you guys today a little bit about like what happened, the hacking, what's happened since then, what Google's doing about it, which isn't much. And yeah, that's gonna be today's video. I just wanted to give you all an update and let you all know why I haven't been around. I did already film a video on this, but I just thought there's too much crying in it. And to be honest, there still could be some crying in this video because this means a lot to me, so brace yourselves for that because it might happen. So let's just start from the beginning, I suppose. I made a very, very, very dumb mistake. Just such a dumb mistake that could literally change the entire course of my life if it is not fixed and addressed, because like this right here is pretty much like my form of income. This is what helps support my store. YouTube is a lot of things to me, so if it's not fixed and addressed, then a lot of changes are going to be happening in my life. So did I cut it? No crying! Okay. So basically what happened was on September 5th, I had received an email. It looked like a very legitimate email from YouTube saying that I had a copyright claim or content ID claim on one of my videos. It was my Trisha Paytas video about her subscription box, and I kind of got like a little nervous about that because that video had already been demonetized by YouTube because of the word that's associated with the box. So I was like, oh my gosh, can you guys just like leave the video alone, please? Just please leave it alone. So I saw this email and there's a little place on it to where you could click to view more details about the claim. And I received a copyright claim before, actually on the largest video on my channel, so they got all the money for that, but that's fine. So I saw that little button and I was like, okay, so I want to know like exactly what they're talking about, why it's been copyright claimed. So I clicked the button, and me being just, I don't know if it was the nerves, anxiousness, or just being like naive or not knowing the internet well enough, it asked me to log in again to my YouTube account, my Google account, when I clicked that button. So I did, which was a very bad decision, and I continued to try to log in because it kept saying that it was wrong, and then I went to like a password recovery thing which asked for my phone number, which I entered because I got nervous, and I pretty soon figured out like, oh my gosh, this is not a legitimate email from YouTube, which I should have figured out like from the beginning, but I realized that I had been hacked and that my account could have very well been compromised. So I quickly went and I changed every password I could think of, like my Google, everything I could think of. I just changed all of my passwords. And then I got in contact with creator support and I told them what had happened. I looked at my Google account and lo and behold, my account had been accessed from somewhere in Egypt, and that was obviously like not me, I wasn't in Egypt. So my account had been compromised and I told them all of this, but they told me, don't worry, it's fine. You've changed your passwords. Everything should be fine. Nobody really mentioned like turning on like two-step verification or anything like that. They just said like, it's fine, you changed your passwords, everything should be fine, we don't see any big changes to your channel, you're still able to log in, all that kind of stuff. So I thought I was out of the water with that one, but I wasn't. What I did notice is that when I went through to change all my passwords, I had been logged out of my AdSense, but I was still able to log back in, and again, everything was fine. I thought everything was okay. Then comes the 17th of September. I had been on AdSense, like looking at stuff, left it open on my computer, which like film a video, came back, and I was locked back out of AdSense. And it said when I tried to log back in that there was no AdSense account associated with my Google account. And I was freaked out by that. I didn't know what to think about it, so I started looking for help forums and things like that, and people were saying like, oh, well, put your computer on like incognito mode or try a different device. So I tried my laptop, my phone, like different phone, like everything I could, and I still couldn't log in. So I again contacted creator support and told them what happened, and they said, oh, well, it's probably just some type of error or bug. Try again in a couple days. If it still doesn't work, then get back with us. So I was okay with that, and I was like, okay, they're probably right. I'm sure it's just a bug that happens a lot with YouTube, so I'm sure it's fine. But then on the 18th, something just like sparked in me and told me to go check my school email, which was where I received like updates from AdSense, which I somehow totally forgot about. So I went and checked my school email, and I found an email from AdSense saying that my primary payment form had been changed. And right then and there, I knew that my account had been hacked. Somebody had gone in and changed all of my banking information, and instead of paychecks coming to my bank account, they would be going to the hacker's bank account. So I, again, instantly went, contacted creator support. They kept saying, we've already contacted about this issue, and I was like, no, you don't understand, like my account has officially been hacked, like it is compromised. And I finally got that through to somebody, and they said that they would send this to like their internal team to be looked at, and that was 22 days ago, and basically I'm just getting the same message on repeat. The internal team is still investigating. We'll get back to you when we have any information, and that's what I've been hearing for the past 22 days. I have sent them every ounce of proof that I can that I am the owner of this account. I have sent them my driver's license, a picture of my driver's license with my name, my address, all that stuff on it. I have sent them bank statements proving that I have been paid to my bank account from Google all the way up till I was hacked. I have sent them every email I can think of proving that there was something suspicious going on with my account. I found 2 emails in a quarantine folder that said the new account needed to be verified, and then I got a verification email of the account. So they had fully changed my banking information on my AdSense, and that was verified through those emails that I received to my email. And for some reason they went to quarantine. I'm not 100% sure why. But I've sent everything I can. I've sent everything I can think of, and still no word from Google. I'm a little bit shocked and disappointed that there wasn't a more swift action for something like this. Like, this is theft. My account has been compromised. My personal information was on there. You have to like upload all of your tax information, social security number, like address. All of that stuff is associated with my Google AdSense account, and that is now in the hands of somebody else, just somebody else. And I asked if they could just like halt payment, just delay payment on my AdSense account while this is going on, and that still hasn't happened. And I don't know at this point, to be honest. I was just really hoping there'd be like a stronger response from Google. I mean, I know it was my fault. I should have never, ever, ever clicked that link in the email, and of course I should have entered my information in. That just don't ever do that. Just don't ever do that. I don't know. I just really wish there was more of like a response from Google. I have been creating on this platform for 3 years. I've been monetized for 3 years, and they take a very significant portion of the money that I'm able to generate through my channel. But it doesn't seem to matter that I've lodged these complaints saying that someone is actively stealing my money and has access to my information. I just feel like there should just be a bit more of an immediate response to something like that, because like I said, it is theft. These people are stealing from me. My paycheck is going directly to their bank account and not my bank account. There is also no way for me to contact Google personally. There's actually no way, I think, for any YouTuber to contact Google personally unless they have another like website that uses AdSense. On their little thing it says like, you have to make so much money to be able to email us, and also if you make YouTube videos and that's like the way you get paid through AdSense, then you can't email us and you have to go through creator support, which creator support doesn't really handle AdSense stuff. So that's confusing. So right now there are a lot of things just kind of up in the air. I don't know if this is an issue that will ever be resolved, because right now at least it doesn't feel like it will be. I mean, there's just so much I don't know right now. I have so very little information, and it's really, really frustrating to just absolutely have no idea what's gonna happen. So shoot. I'm also still terrified that my account is somehow still compromised and they could end up like deleting my entire channel, which would be devastating to me. I've worked really hard on this channel. I don't think I've ever spent, well, with the exception of like my master's degree and thesis, I don't think I've ever spent as much time, effort, and energy on something that I have this channel here, and I would really, really, really hate to see it go away. You guys, oh crap, I'm sorry. You guys are amazing, and this community is so nice. Like, I feel super, super lucky to have such a nice, supportive group of people on this channel, and to see that go away would just be that was a weird noise, would be devastating. So if they come back to me and they basically say like, hey, there's nothing we can do, I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do. Right now I do have like contractual obligations to brands and companies and things like that to post videos for them. I will not be monetizing any video, including this one, that I post until this is sorted out, because I refuse to just make more money from some random person who hacked me. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is be working towards making like a whole separate channel, just like completely removed from this one, just in case like my channel somehow does get deleted or something, or I can never monetize on this channel again. But if you guys like want to stick it out with me and that kind of stuff, we might just have to make an entirely new channel. If that doesn't work or something, I don't know. We can still stay in contact, like we can still stay in contact on like Instagram or something. And I know there's probably some of you out there that thinks this is just like way too dramatic and silly, and I don't know, maybe it is. But YouTube has become a major part of my life. It has afforded me a lot of really great things. I've been able to start my own vintage store with the money that I was able to save up from YouTube. And YouTube also supports that store. So like if we have a bad month, or you know, like we've been closed for 17 days now because we've been on this trip, if we didn't make enough money for like rent or something, I could use the money from YouTube to like help make that up. And I would really hate to see the store go because YouTube's gone. That's something that me and my family have like together, and that's like my mom's job. Like she gets paid for working at the store and that kind of stuff. She's retired and she really loves like being able to be her own boss and that kind of thing. So I would absolutely hate to see that go. So I'm sorry I cried again, dang it. I will definitely be keeping you guys updated. Hopefully I'll get some type of update soon. They've already managed to steal my last month's YouTube paycheck, so that's just gone, and this next pay period comes up in like 2 weeks, so they might get that as well, and that'll be a good amount of money. At least I think it's a good amount of money, and that's like my whole paycheck. Anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for sticking it out with me. Thank you guys for your really sweet messages while I was gone, like wondering where I've been. I've missed you guys a ton, I really have, and I hope to be back uploading regularly soon, get the channel back on track, all that kind of stuff. I'm gonna hopefully will it into existence that everything will be fine. Right now I would love some type of answers, some type of information, just anything that someone could give me would be fantastic. Just again, thank you guys for sticking it out with me, and let me know anything you want to down below in the comments. I'll be responding to tons of comments. Let me know if you guys would be okay with like starting a new channel, like moving over there. Just let me know anything you want to, ask me any questions you want to. I'm really looking forward to talking to you guys in the comments because I have missed you a lot. So yeah, this is gonna be a very long video. I'm very sorry about that. I'm gonna try to edit out as many of the long pauses and ums as possible. So thank you guys again. I love you all, and I hope you have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Bye!